Okay.
Let me show you how to create an
Guys, can we just all admit that I'm killing this intro right now? This is the greatest intro that I think we've ever done.
commercial only.
Yo, yo, yo! What up? What up, everybody? Goodness gracious. My God. Dude, right when I think we got it all figured out, man. Right when I think we got it all figured out, nothing works. Nothing works! I try to be sneaky with these commands, and it's all over the place, so I don't know what's going on. What's up? How's it going? My name is Charlie. It's great to see you guys. What's going on in the chat? How's everybody doing today? What's up, my friends? T-Klex! Oh, wait! T-Klex! Hello, T-Klex! This is like the first time you've been in alive in a long time. What's up? How's it going? Glad to see you, T-Klex. I think you gotta leave, but thanks for stopping by. Alright, what's up? Hello! Alright, what we got going on today? I'm feeling good, Carla. How are you doing? What's up? What's up? I'm okay. I gotta go to school. Missed the evening streams. Aw, T-Klex. Maybe we'll do one soon. I hope you have a great day at school, alright? We'll see you later. What's up, Lily? What's up? What's up, Carla? What's up, Lana? What's up, Annalise? Annalise just got back from a great weekend in French Lick, Indiana. What an odd name for a place. French Lick. What's up, Spider Gaming? How you doing? Piano just finished kickboxing. How about that? That's so sick, man. Way to go. Calvin says all this month is Dolphin Awareness Month. This week is National Aardvark Week. Happy National Aardvark Week, everybody. Hello. I think Big Jim's in the chat. Big Jim. What's up, Big Jim? How you doing? Will there be a game night this week? I don't think this Friday, but perhaps coming up. Perhaps coming up. Oh, guys, W's in the chat. T-Klex is going to space camp this summer. T-Klex is going to space camp this summer. That's so sick. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. Dubs in the chat for T-Klex and Space Camp. T-Klex, that's awesome. That sounds so fun. I hope you have a good time. What else? Big Jim's here. What's up, Big Jim? Mama Opal was battling piano and kickboxing. Nicole's here with Pierce. Hey, Pierce. Hey, Nicole. How's it going? Who won? Piano versus Mama Opal. Elijah. What's up? Elijah's here. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Today, I woke up today, guys. Let's cool this music. I think we hit the intro. We're good. Annalise got to feed a giraffe. Andrea's here. What's up, Andrea? How are you doing? You need a new election? We need a new Toadsburg election? Why? I don't think enough time has passed. You did? It was a tie? Uh-oh. I think we have some disagreements. Piano says he won, and Mama Oval says it was a tie. We got Yeet Yeet in the chat. Wyatt lost power. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you lost power, Wyatt. That stinks. All right, everybody. Today, guys, today I woke up and it was like Christmas morning. I was so excited for today. Let me tell you, it was... So I've had this bucket of squids sitting in my bathroom for about a week, stinking up the place, and I've been ready to slice into them and get some squid action. First off, I think I missed it because we weren't doing, one sec. Should we play a song for this? Everybody, this is the song that we're gonna play. Yes. Everybody, we got our first donation today already before the stream happened. I want to give a quick shout out to our first dono, Ann Beringer, one of our best friends on the stream, Queen Bee, amazing teacher, amazing person, amazing educator. Let's get some dubs in the chat to thank Ann for a $20 donation. All donations for the next couple weeks are going to our new compound microscope. We're going to get a compound microscope so we can look at tardigrades and tiny little microscopic organisms. It's going to be so sick. This is not copyrighted music, I can assure you of that. The first one was, so we cut it off a little early, but this is good. But, Ann, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the dono, and thanks so much for tuning in. Yeah, we hope you have a great time. Hope your class is a great time. Shout out Ann's class. I know Asher's in there. I know a couple other people are in there, so I hope you guys are having a great day. Ann really is a great teacher, so we really appreciate it. Juice-L's in there, too. What's up, my dude? Yeah, you're here, too. Natalie, how's it going? The Cosmic Potato. Nada's here. Good morning, Nada. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Okay, so isn't this the soccer song? Piano, you have an extraordinary memory. Yes, that is the soccer song. So what do we got to do today? We have so much stuff. I woke up and I was so excited because today is Squid Dissection Day. So first things first, I want to tell you guys the results of... I'm like, dude, my brain is everywhere right now because all I want to do is cut into this squid. But I'm trying to take a deep breath and systematically go through this the way that we got to go through this because you guys know we got to do a couple things before we get into it. All right, let's see. I like potatoes too. We need another gaming stream. Gaming streams will come. Hacksballs will come back. Cosmic Potato loves potatoes. Absolutely terrific. Okay, so everybody, as you know, to... oh, wait, real quick. All right. I'm not going to eat the squids today, but I'm going to show you how they make calamari. So it's going to be a little bit of both. Today, as you guys know, streams are always brought to you with the support of Wonderopolis.org. Guys, I created a new transition, and let me know if this works, okay? I've created a new transition. Wonderopolis.org is a great website. So to visit Wonderopolis.org, we need to venture into the world of the internet. So join me as we move towards the internet. To the internet! The internet. Wow! Here we are on the internet, everybody. I love the internet. It's absolutely terrific. Did that work? Did that transition work? Okay, cool. I found that video online. It feels like a PBS show. I found that video online of like a baby's hand clicking a mouse, and I laughed so hard when I found it. I don't know why. Okay, so here we are. Streams is brought to you in part with the support of Wonderopolis.org. Wonderopolis.org is pretty much like Wikipedia for that makes a lot more sense if you ask me. Sometimes Wikipedia is a little bit more complicated, so it's like a Wikipedia that you can understand. Go to Wonderopolis.org. In the search section, type anything you want. See, I've searched myself for some reason, and Chess Owl host video. I don't know what those autocorrects are, but here's a great article that I found today. It's all about the Kraken. You know the Kraken, like the mythical beast squid. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Here's my favorite part about the Kraken article. Kraken comes from the German word for octopus. This has likely influenced the way artists have painted the Kraken. It often appears as a large creature with many arms. In many cases, the arms reach as high as the top of the ship's main masts. These are certainly mythical tales, but the Kraken legends may have been based on a real creature, the giant squid. Giant squids have long tentacles that grow 40 to 50 feet in length. They usually live in the deep sea, but they've been known to surface and attack ships from time to time. Here's something that I didn't know. Guys, did you know that there's a squid that's more massive than a giant squid? Did you guys know about this? Yeah, there's a bigger squid than the giant squid. I want to see if I could find it. It's called the colossal squid. Naturally, right? These scientists, they're just like, what's an adjective that's bigger than giant? Colossal. And then that solves all of our problems. Here it is. Let's see. It's not as long as the giant squid, but it's kind of more massive. It's the big squid. Colossal squid. See, yeah, Calvin knows. All right. Hey, Kaylee, thanks for stopping by. The Fat Gus the squid. Yeah, Natalie. Yeah, sure. Fat Gus the squid. That makes sense. So Wonderopolis.org if you want to look anything up. Real quick, the last things we got to figure out today before we go live, everybody. Sorry, we are live. Before we cut into this squid is last week we talked about the fact that we're going to open up a museum, a Toadsburg museum, and it's going to be here. It's going to be in the room. It's going to be compile all of the stuff that we've been kind of dissecting and looking at. It's going to be really excited. I'm very excited. I think it's going to be on this wall, but I'm not really sure. See how this wall is pretty blank? I think we're going to put up some shelves and put it there. But we had to vote on what we thought the name was going to be, and the winner is the Toadsburg Super Secret Science Society. Everybody, the Toadsburg Super Secret Science Society. Do I have a good name for this? Do I have a good... Everybody, welcome to the Toadsburg Secret Science Society. I know this music's hot, it's coming down. This is a secret science museum that we will be putting together as a group. It'll combine the greatest curiosities of the entire stream. It's going to be great. It's going to be here. Congratulations, everyone, for being a part of the Toadsburg Super Secret Science Society. Naturally, a lot of questions emerge. What is our logo going to be? Do we accept everybody? What is secret about this society? It's not just a normal secret, but it's a super secret. How secret is this secret? This is something that we have to determine together and something that we will on this stream. But congratulations, everybody. So that's something that we got coming up. Can we do the squid? Beach Boys, we're getting to the squid. Patience, my friend. We're going to get to it soon. But first, we got the super secret. The superbly super secret. And what's the secret about it? See, that's my question. So here's my question. My old dentist had a museum in his waiting room. There are historical dental tools, really made people want to go into the back room. Yikes! That's such a bad idea, Kelly, for a dentist to have like giant drills from 100 years ago. Yikes. Okay. So here's my question. Here's our poll that we're going to do today. All right. Usually I like to do a poll. So I was talking to Jim. Or Pete, you guys might remember Pete in the last stream was talking how he had some snake eggs that he wanted to send in and some snake skins. So my question for you guys and for everybody is, would there be any general interest if I were to get a P.O. box and you guys could potentially send things in to put in the museum? Now, this is like... I really want to make sure that you don't send in your best stuff, because you shouldn't send in your best stuff. But say, for example, like my sister Casey lives by the ocean and she collects a lot of sea urchins, and she has like a bunch of sea urchins, and she could send in a sea urchin that she collected to put on the shelf in our museum. And I think that'd be kind of really fun. So, I can send something. Yeah, this seems like pretty cool. Anything like historical or you think that might fit in, that is like something that you find around you. So I kind of wanted to, should we get a P.O. box? Should we get a P.O. box is the question. Should we get a P.O. box is the question. We're going to do a bit of a poll. I'm going to type in yes, yes, or no. Yes, should we get a P.O. box? Yes or no? That's it. Post. Okay. Okay, I think it's in. So I'm going to spam it right here. And let me know if that link works. And then we'll see. Oh, can I? Oh, I can't vote on my own poll. Okay. Oh, great. We have not. Okay. So there are some things in. And in the comment section, we'll say, I'll ask, what would you send? What would you send? Oh, I'm not typing. All right, it works? Yes. All right. Thanks, Annalise. Thanks, Ann. What would you send? Oh, it worked. What would you send? Comment. All right, cool. So, P.O. Box, are you into it? Are you not into it? We got 10 votes, 1 no, 9 yeses, and in the comment section, just type what you would send, you know? I think it would be kind of fun. Okay, everybody. So this week I was researching squid dissections, and I was watching a lot of squid dissection videos, and I made the mistake of doing it while I was eating pizza, and it made me enormously sick. So we're going to try to avoid that today. So just fair warning, if you're eating pizza right now, I would recommend taking a break, or maybe not eating pizza or something like that. Oh, wait. Sorry, I'm spamming in the chat. Okay, so with that in mind, are you guys ready to dissect this squid? What do you guys think? Let's do, what should we do? Is this a good song? All right, everybody. We have gathered here today with one mission in mind. We're going to dissect the squid. Let me be completely honest with you. We've done some gross things on this stream. I've eaten a scorpion. I've eaten sugar-coated sour worms. We dissected a brain, a sheep's brain. But this thing that we're gonna do today is without question the grossest thing that we've ever done. Annalise is making food, making breakfast. Annalise, good luck. We might need to take some breaks. It might be gross. But in the name of science, as Natalie has said in the chat, we're gonna knife emoji this squid emoji. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready for the squid? Are you ready? I'm looking clean today. What's up, Jayla? Welcome to the stream. Nicole is ready. Okay. Let's knife emoji this squid emoji. Here's the box. Can I do this? 2. Oh, guys, we also have, oh, it's way too overexposed. Okay, we also have the microscope out today. Okay, everybody, here's the bucket. Here's the bucket. Let's slice and dice, baby. This smells so bad. It really knocks you out. Okay, suspense music is on. Let's go. Oh, hey, Kelly and Ari, how you guys doing? A box of baby mantids. Oh, Jesus, Kelly. Okay. Here you go. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to open a window eventually, but I think we can start with it out. This box is, what's up, Anna? How's it going? We're just opening the squid. Okay. I ordered 2 squids. We're gonna look in the box and we're gonna figure out which one we want to dissect. It takes a while to open this bucket because it's sealed so tightly. Yikes, dude, this is aromatic. Oh shoot, I forgot to put gloves on too. Oh no. Dude, this is so gross. This is so gross. Charlie has hair? Where's my hair? Okay, I'm gonna get some gloves. Natalie, I think you're right. Guys, I'm gonna get squid juice all over my computer. Everyone, this is disgusting. This is gonna be disgusting. I hope you know this. Ready? Prepare yourselves to see something shocking. There's a lot of juice. The juice everywhere is what got me. Annalise, get ready to see a whole bucket of juice. If you're eating something, I suggest you swallow. Here we go. I want to show you quick. It's a juice bucket of squid. All right, that was just quick. That was just a quick look. Just a quick look. It's a little overexposed. We're gonna fix the exposure. We're gonna fix the zoom. It's a juice bucket. Guys, this is what we're working with today. This is normal. We have 2 specimens. I will lay out our squids. Is this too much? Is this music too much? Do we gotta chill this out? What do you guys think? It looks like broth. Yeah, it looks like broth. I gotta mess with this camera a bit. Filters. Color correction. Okay, I think that'll be better. Okay, cool. Music is good? Okay. Looks like a broth with a meat. Yeah. Just think of it as a stew soup. Yes. A stew soup. Oh, jeez. Scary music. Okay, here we go. It's a nice little stew soup. It looks like chicken noodle soup. Great. I'm glad we're taking this so well, guys. I'm very proud of us. Okay, so there are 2 squids in here. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna lay them out, and we're gonna decide which squid we want to dissect. This is so aromatic. This is squid number 1. I 100% need to open a window. Okay. It looks like a squid. Yes. Okay. Squid number 1. We gotta determine which squid emoji. We're gonna knife emoji. Darren. What's up, Darren? This is squid number 2. Okay, 2 is a lot bigger, it seems, and chunkier. All right. We are now accepting votes in the chat. Which squid emoji would you like to knife emoji? This is squid number 1. This is squid number 2. I'm seeing a lot of 2s. I'm seeing a lot of 2s. Name is Nick. What's up, Nick? How you doing? It's getting hard to breathe over here, boys. It's getting hard to breathe. Two. Okay, I think we're gonna do two. I'm putting one away, and I'm capping the bucket. Goodbye, Squid 2. I also have to open a window. It's getting very difficult to breathe over here. Your mom is gonna come into your room and she's gonna see a squid and she's gonna barf. Dude, she already found my brain in a jar, some in the random place in the house. So she's kind of upset with all of these things, but that's okay. Okay. Ooh, tornado sirens going on right now, guys. So, real quick, tornado sirens. Oh shit! This is the Frog Slovenia. Oh my gosh, that's Frog Slovenia world. Okay, we're gonna try to switch up the tone a little bit more because I personally can't handle like an hour and a half of really scary music cutting into the squid. So we're gonna try to lift the mood a little bit and throw in some of that Animal Crossing background music that we love so much. Let me know if this is too much, or let me know if the audio is kind of a good level. Frog Slovenia, what's your deal, Frog Slovenia? What have you today of all days? Why have you decided to show up? What's going on? Play the Among Us music. I love this. Wait, sorry, what's this? I love this Animal Crossing music so much. It's just so nice. It's so nice and relaxing. Okay, question for you guys. What are we gonna name this squid? The squid needs a name, and then we're gonna just cut it up. But first, what should the squid be named? Let's give it a nice, cute little name so that the whole thing just feels a lot less gross. I think that'd be helpful. And hopefully we can dissociate enough so that as we're dismembering it, we just don't feel that bad. But I feel like it's gonna be okay. Squidward, Tubbo, Jerry, Squidward, Tubbo, Jerry, Bob, Squirt the squid? Oh, I do like Squirt. What do you guys think of Squirt? Squirt the squid? Tubbo, Splatooner, Sir Squimbleton? Sir Squimbleton? I think Tubbo's a Minecrafter, right, Lana? I'm pretty sure Tubbo's a Minecrafter. All right, let me get those things ready. Squirt? I think we like Squirt. Okay, so I think Squirt or Squimbleton. So if you like Squirt, type Squirt in the chat. And if you like Squimbleton, type Squimbleton in the chat. What are we still? We're dissecting the squid. We're just taking a little bit of a break while we're drying this squid off. And then we're going to name it. So Squirt or Sir Squimbleton? Squirtle? I think Squirtle would probably be the full name. You know? The formally named Squirtle. But short named is Squirt. Diana, hi, welcome. Guys, I think Squirt wins. All right, what a cute name for a squid. I love it. Okay, everybody. Say hello to Squirt. This is our squid Squirt. Oh, this is our squid Squirt. I love it. Everybody, this is our squid Squirt that we're eventually going to cut into. It's going to be terrific. So, what's going on with these settings here? I think that's good. Let me know if that's good, guys. So this is a really big boy squid. I'm gonna have to start a little bit wide, but I think it's gonna be good. So we don't, oh, Alani, of course I remember you, man. So everybody meets Squirt. This is our Squid Squirt. We don't know if Squirt's a boy or a girl. When we cut it open, we'll be able to know. But any questions originally about what we're looking at? So here's the thing, guys. This project was such a big project, I didn't organize a guest. So we don't have a guest to join us today or anything like that. So we're going to kind of go through this solo. But I think that we can because it's going to be really interesting. But I think sometimes a guest is very hard to juggle with everything else. So I think we're just going to go alone on this one. But I think it's going to be good. So, Nathan, what's up? This could be a cooking episode too. Okay, yes. So... Squid, has anybody here had calamari? One's in the chat if you've had calamari before. Type 1 in the chat if you've had calamari. Calamari is like a fried squid dish that you might have at a super, super fancy restaurant or like a seafood restaurant. Let's see. Touches the squid, then he's touching things. And my whole computer is covered in brain juice and squid preservatives. It's disgusting. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we really like... calamari. So here's what calamari is, guys. This part of the squid right here, doesn't it look like this is just like a cooking stream and we're making sushi or something like that? So this part of the squid is called the mantle, this section right here. It's kind of like the casing that covers the main organs. And calamari is this part. If you imagine just sliced, this kind of is a ring around the whole squid and it creates rings. Then they deep fry those rings and that's how they make calamari. So it's this portion of the squid cut into rings and deep fried. So there you go. Calamari. We are definitely not going to convert squirt into some calamari, but if we wanted to, we know how. Okay. If you, so here's the deal, guys. We're going to kind of just go through this however really we want. If we're curious about one thing, we can go into one thing. If we're curious about one thing, we can go to another. But I kind of organized something. So someone try this out. Type exclamation squid in the chat. Let's see if this works. Exclamation squid. Let's see if that works. Exclamation squid. Let's see. Is Nightbot here? Oh, sup, nerd. Nightbot. What the heck? Nightbot's calling us nerds. Nightbot's got a little bit of an attitude today, I guess. So, seen that Nightbot command sup nerd. Jeez, Nightbot. So, squid diagrams here. So that website, missdildy.com/biology-11-squid-dissecting-3. This is some random teacher. Some random teacher has a really great website that's a compilation of a bunch of squid diagrams. So you can look at this website and find a bunch of diagrams that can help us identify what we're looking at today. So if you guys have like another monitor or you guys want to look for stuff or there'll be a point where, want me to mod Nightbot? Yeah, Patricia, we might have to time out Nightbot for a little. I think he's getting a little bit moody. But if... There's going to be a point where we're going to figure out if squirt is a female or a male. So this is a good diagram for that. There's another, like a bunch of slides down here that you can go by and check out some stuff. And it gets, things are labeled. So when we're trying to figure out some things, if you need an example or a reference, exclamation point squid, and you can kind of follow along the dissection with us. I think that'll be kind of fun. So we'll see how it goes there. Okay. Patricia. Okay, first things first, I'll start us out. If there's anything that you guys are interested in checking out, let's see if this works. Let me know, and then we could just dive right into it. Only exclamation point squid works, guys. Nothing else works. So, interesting things about squirt already right here. So, really basic stuff. This is kind of like the mantle. These are, who's new? I'm new. What's up, Amelia? How you doing? These right here are the fins, right here. So the squids can flap these fins to help them move really slowly in the water, and they could also move in the water by squirting, sucking up water and squirting out a siphon, which we're going to check out. Ooh, Annalise is interested in the ink sac. Sick. We're going to cut this open, and then we're going to get into the ink sac for sure and check out some, I think it's going to be congealed ink. So we're going to figure out where that is. So this is the head portion. There are some eyes right here, and these are the tentacles. Interested in the ink sac? Show the ink sac. Okay, we'll get into the ink sac right after we look at these tentacles real quick. So guys, something that I didn't know is that let's look at this. Or wait, Chewy, you want to just get into the ink sac, or do you want to talk about, check out these tentacles? I have the microscope here. So tentacles are ink sac. Ink sac right away? Ink sac? Do you guys just want to do ink sac? No, ink sac. Okay, we want to get into the ink sac right away. Okay, guys, let's get into the ink sac. I guess that's what we just want. Okay, Squirt, let's get into your ink sac. Check out the tentacles. But Annalise wants the tentacles. Okay, let's look at one thing real quick that I want to look at before we get into the tentacle, before we get into the ink sac. Because once we cut open the ink sac, things are going to get really gross really quick. Because it might get everywhere, I think. So that's the thing. So here's the interesting thing about these tentacles is if you look right here, so see how the tentacles are different lengths? Let's see if I can zoom in on this. I think I can. Yuck. Yuck. Cosmic potato. This is great. Okay, great. Thank you, Squirt. So see how Squirt has different length tentacles? So some are really short and some are very long. Well, these are two different things. So there are 8 short ones and there are 2 long ones. The short ones are called arms, and these are the only ones that are called tentacles. Here's a crazy fact. The cam makes it look like stop motion. Yeah, dude, I don't know why that like frame rate is totally jacked sometimes. Oh my god, I would do this without gloves? Elena, that's gross. So here's an interesting fact that I learned when I was researching squids, is that octopus don't have tentacles. Octopus don't have tentacles. They only have arms. So here's the difference that we can see right here. This is an arm right here, and you might see that it has those suckers and those suction cups along the entire length. And these ones only have suction cups at the end, right there. So that's the difference between a tentacle and an arm. And octopus only have these suction cups along the entire length. So there we go. Oh, we're going to get the beak too. Yes, we're going to pull out that beak. Okay, so we're going to cut, I have a microscope set up. I want to cut off a tentacle and look at it under the microscope, because I have heard that in each sucker, there's a ring of teeth in each squid sucker, which is absolutely outrageous. Did anybody know this? A ring of teeth along the edge of the inside of each sucker. So I'm going to see if we can find something like this. Now, this has been inside preservative for what I would guess is like a really long time. So I'm really not sure. We're going to cut off the end of this one right here. Yeah, isn't that wild? What's up, B? How you doing? Okay, so I'm going to set up this microscope and see if we can rock and roll on this. So the microscope is a little tough to set up, so we're going to see if we can do it real quickly. This actually looks okay. Okay. So here's the tentacle under microscope. Where we want to look at that one right there. So this is a really tiny squid. Squids are the biggest invertebrates? Evan, I didn't know that. So I think that's what they're talking about. When you see those really super tiny teeth down there? I think that's what they're talking about, is that little like ridge. That's a pretty good one. I'm going to see if they have any bitter ones. I think that might be it. So imagine a bigger squid latching onto you with these suckers. They have those teeth that can bite into you and can kind of like clamp on, which is absolutely gross. Let's see. It's the best look there. There you go. That's awesome. Okay. You guys want to check out the ink sac? New record, 30 people watching. Evan, I think we've hit 70 before, so it's kind of all over the place. But 30 is great. What's up, everybody? How you doing? Okay, everybody. Now we're gonna go into the ink sac. We have a lot of interest for the ink sac. So, everybody, yeah. Let's see. Anybody? Let me think. How should we do this? If you have that diagram open, try to figure out where it is on the ink sac so you can kind of help me out. So guys, as you know, dissections are super professional and you have to be really careful when working with animals, and you got to use the best equipment. And that's why in all of my dissections, I recommend using the best brand of scissors possible. So that's why I have this pair of safety scissors that I've had since second grade. High quality, only professionals. This is what all the professionals use. Lime green safety scissors. I think they might be Crayola brand. You can probably get them at Target. Oh, they're Fisker. Look at that. Safety scissors are the way to go. Very important, everyone. Okay? Only the best. Okay, so here we go. We're going to poof up this portion right here, which is called the mantle. And then we're going to slice it up here and then fold the edges back. So let's go. I really hope these scissors work. Oh, terrific, they do. Oh! Dude, this is so epic, guys. Okay, so we're gonna have to cut along the length here to open it up a little bit more. And guys, we'll be able to see if Squirt's a male or a female. Oh my gosh, Squirt. Guys, this is a Squirt's gender reveal. Everybody, it's Squirt's gender reveal. It's such a big day. Her biological, or his, or their biological gender reveal. Epic, epic. Look at this, look at this. So there we go, everyone. Okay. Oh, Kevin's here? Wait, Kevin, my man, what's up? Welcome, dude. You have the perfect time. We just cut open this squid. Everyone, are we okay? Think it's got a little gross. Are we okay? Type okay if we're okay in the chat. Are we okay? Can we continue on, or do we need a little bit of a break? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Yes, we're okay? Okay. I'm gonna make a couple more cuts. Okay. Okay, we're okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm okay. I've got my screen covered. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, everybody, squid dissection. Let's go. Okay, everybody, this is Squirt's. So here are Squirt's internal organs. We're looking for the ink sac. So a couple things that we can look at right here. I think someone mentioned it. I think it was Kelly. Oh my God, dude, there's so much squid gunk on my keyboard now. So there are different colors. This was injected with plastic. And what that means is that, so I think they removed, Kelly, you might know about this more than I do maybe, but they removed some of the blood and injected the veins and arteries with plastic so that you could see them a little bit more and differentiate between them, because otherwise this would just be kind of like a pink blob. So the blue ones are the veins and the red are arteries. So the red have blood that has oxygen in them and the blue have deoxygenated blood. So blue blood is on their way to the gills. These are the gills right here, these like feathery looking things. And the red is the oxygenated blood that's on the way to the body. So that's the difference. Plastication. Thank you, Kelly. Appreciate it. That's why it's so colorful. Yeah. The squid looks so cool and fake inside. It's like a dramatized version of a squid for science class. It kind of is. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is great. So before we find the squid, let's, anybody got a diagram out, and can you guys identify if it's a male or female? Exclamation point squid if you need access to the diagrams on Miss Dildy's website. Shout out Miss Dildy, whoever you are. But, anybody know if Squirt's a male or a female? Because I have no idea. Anyone? Ah, the camera. The camera. I think Kelly said she thinks it's a female, and I think someone else did too. And if you do, let me know why you think so, and then we can kind of figure it out together. There we go. I think Squirt is a girl. Sup, nerd? Squid diagrams here. It's a girl? I think Squirt is a girl. Female, female, female. Okay. Plastination. All right, not plastication. Okay, so we think Squirt is potentially a female. Let's try to figure out how. Let me see this. So let's go. So we think potentially Squirt is a female. So here's the difference right here, guys. Let's see if we can. Okay, we're working with a lot here. So female, male, it looks like the main difference are female's got this big thing up on top, which are the ovaries, and then these two things that look like, I don't know, like water chestnuts or something like that. That's a nidamental gland. That has to do with like producing an egg sac, I'm pretty sure. Females are bigger than males. Interesting. Okay, so let's see. Oh, check this out. Am I wrong? Oh, the Body Worlds exhibit. Kelly, that exhibit is absolutely outrageous. So see these things right here? Do you see these? These two things? I think these are the nidamental glands that are only present in females. And I think this section right up here, this might be the ovary area. That's what this looks like. What do you guys think about that? Squirt is a girl? Oh my gosh! Guys! Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh my gosh, guys! Squirt's a girl! Wait, we can... What's like a fun song? We need a fun song. Like an accomplishment song. Is it this one? Yay! Yes, guys. Doves in the chat. Squirt's a girl. We got a girl, guys. Oh, and Charlie wore blue. Oh gosh, I'm not even dressed for the occasion. I'm so embarrassed. You know, had I known that we were gonna have a girl, I mean, I would have dressed in pink or something like that. Doves in the chat for Squirt, our girl Squid. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so happy. You know, I've always wanted a baby girl squid to dissect and dismember, and it's just really great. Any words from the chat? I mean, we're co-parenting the squid together for the next 30 minutes as we take it apart. But I mean, I mean, guys, this lay your eyes on your daughter, your girl squirt squid. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know in the chat. Dead baby squid girls is Aliana. Yes. Dead baby squirrel. I'm so proud. Aren't you guys proud? Aww. Amelia says, aww. Guys, together we will co-parent this squid. And let me just talk to you guys personally. I'm so proud to be co-parenting this girl squid with you. There's no one else that I would rather dissect and dismember this girl squid. This is so bad. Sorry, I don't know if it's too much. But everybody, thank you for coming to our squid gender reveal party. I'm sorry in the process, unfortunately the squid did not survive. But yes, my baby, says Aliana, my baby. Thank you guys for being a part of it. Squirt is a girl. All right, now let's take out our ink sac. Let's go for it. Wow, I've never been more proud. Who knew that when this stream started, we need a custody agreement and a visitation schedule? Okay. Piano, is Piano here? Piano, you're president. How are we splitting this up? Was weekends or was it on a rotating basis? Every third weekend, we rotated again? Short-lived. It was a short-lived. Charlie ate my baby. I'm not, guys. I love how after that insect stream, everybody is assuming that everything we have on stream, I'm immediately gonna eat. I think that's so funny. It is not the case. I assure you, I don't eat everything. I'm in 3rd grade. Amelia, what's up? This is very advanced stuff. So congrats. This is like high school level stuff. Every other week. Okay. So Piano says every other week we're gonna swap custody of Squirt. I'll start this week because she's here. Then I'll pass it over to Piano, and maybe Big Jim, Kelly, or maybe one of the mods is next. I don't know. Maybe Amelia can show it to her 3rd grade class. Me too? Okay, Drake wants in. Drake will work you into the schedule as well. So every, what was it? Every couple weekends? I'm in 5th grade. Sick. Oh, if you're in school, type your grade. Okay, so we're still looking for this ink sac. And let me try to figure out where it is. I think I know. if I'm totally right, we need to get a little bit of poking around. We're currently 30 on stream and there are 52 weeks in a year. Do the math. Okay, so some people might not get it until get custody of Squirt until a couple years from now, but hopefully that's okay. So I'm gonna move the nidamental glands to the side in search of this ink sac. I'm not really sure where these are, guys. Where's the ink sac? Oh wait, you know what? This is all. Let's see. Okay, this is gonna be disgusting, guys. So this is all covered in this this. It almost looks like Saran wrap. It's called what's something with a P. Paramentium or something like that. Peritoneum. So it's covered in like a I don't know what to call it. It's like a Saran wrap. So I'm gonna try to pull it off real quick, because theoretically this will be much easier to look at. So we're gonna do real quick, try to pull off the peritoneum. Pardon me, this might take a second. But yeah, this is gross, man. I love it. Oh, what's the best way to do this? Oh, okay, it's coming. Guys, it's coming slowly but surely, so pardon me. Can you see this? Is this gross? All right, cool, good. It's Paran wrap, yes. All right, Lana, catch you later, man. Man, this is tough to pull out. Let's see this. Okay. Okay, am I wrong, everybody? Bruh, it's out of the frame. Okay, sorry. We're back. Sorry. We're back. Am I wrong? Or I feel like the ink sac is theoretically somewhere in this area, kind of like right here. So I think to get at it, I'm going to snip through the gills real quick. So these are the two gills on either side, these red things right here. Right now the purple finches are building a nest in my window. Who said that? That's so nice. Oh, B, that's awesome. Okay, I'm looking for the ink sac and I'm having a little bit of trouble. Anybody think they know where we can potentially find the ink sac? So I'm gonna go back to that diagram. I need that diagram real quick. Ink sac. Okay, so it comes down in between the nidamental glands, it looks like. So it's going to come down in between in this area in the middle, I think. Lol, wish we could ding him as an alert. I'm here, everybody. I'm here. Under the blue? Okay, so we think it's under the blue. Oh, no, I'm breaking things apart a little. Is it that? Oh, guys, we're doing it. Okay. This saran wrap structure is very difficult to take off. It's like on everything, and I think the plastic isn't really helping much. Donate a nickel to get him to look up. I'm here. Can you donate $0? Wait, what's going wrong? Can you hear me? Is everything good? Okay, is it this curly thing right there? I see a curly thing, but I don't know what this is. Or is this the stomach? Oh my gosh, dude, where is this ink sac? Is this it over here? Oh, is it very tiny? Oh, we punctured it already. Do you see this? What Streamlabs? Oh, piano, Streamlabs. Okay, so we're having a little bit trouble finding the ink sac. But there are a couple other things that we could do that I want to try out real quick. I think the fact that everything is congealed has made it a little bit easier to check out. Okay. Dude, these nidamental glands are in the way, and I don't exactly know how to peel them back. without tearing them up. Nidimental, listen, Squirt, you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. But these nidimental glands have got to go. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Just listen, you're not alive anymore, so I think it's okay that we do this. I think it's going to be good. Okay, everyone. Just rip them out. Jeez, Annalise. Okay, cool. Nidimental glands are back. Okay, great. Okay, cool. Next thing I want to show you is real quick. How is the saran wrap on the organs if you just now cut it open? It's kind of like a thin membrane that's covering everything in, and it makes it kind of holds everything together, but it also makes it a little bit difficult to take everything apart. Actually, the class scope, see you in a bit. All right, see ya. See ya, Anna. Catch you later. Okay, everybody, here's something interesting. So let's look at this is so colorful. This is wild. So things I want to do next. I want to show you guys the gills and the hearts. There are 3 hearts in the squid, so we're going to check it out. And then I want to show you the siphon. And then I want to see if we can dissect the beak and pull out the beak and look at it under a microscope. How does that sound to everybody? Let me guys know if that sounds good. But, so, interesting. Oh, and then we got to check out the chromatophores, which are over here, which is so sick. Okay. We have a lot to do, and we've already been streaming for an hour. This is wild. Okay, so here we go. This is the squid. This is the squid's heart right here. So there are 3 hearts of the squid. There are 3 hearts of the squid. And they kind of are situated like this. I'm going to take this pencil. Oh my gosh, everything's getting squid juice on it. This is awesome. Does that mean that hearts can go through 3 breakups? You know what? I think, Piano, that means that when Squirt gets a boyfriend or girlfriend and they break up with her, it's going to hurt 3 times as much. Breakups are 300% as impactful to squids as they are to humans. And that's a scientific fact. Just because they have 3 hearts. It's a sad thing, right, guys? I mean, we've all been through breakups, or maybe can imagine what a breakup is like. Now imagine you're a squid and you get broken up with. Oof. Okay. Poor little Squirt's gonna have her heart broken. Poor little Squirt. Oh no. Okay, here we go. So this is the heart section right here. These feathery things, these are gills. And I'm going to cut one of these off and put it in a glass of water because I heard they expand like feathers in a glass of water, and that's going to be sick. So let's go. This is one heart right here. It's called the systemic heart. And there are hearts here on either side above the gill area. So these 2 hearts, I think, are called like brachial hearts, and they pump blood through the gills. And then they direct blood to the systemic heart, which pumps heart to the rest of the body. So 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. Right there. I have squids that have 3 times the capacity to love. Yes! Oh my gosh! Annalise, you're so right. Those are the positives and minuses, you know? They have 3 times the passion, the capacity to love, but breakups are 3 times as tough. That's the perils of being a squid, you know? I sure won't let that happen on my week. Yes, okay. This is key. Everybody, we got to make sure that Squirt's doing okay around boys when you guys have custody, okay? Because we don't want her heart to get broken too many times. I mean, sure, it's great, you know, but we're protective parents. At least that's how I'm going to go about protecting me. Oh my gosh, Pat! Pat! What's up, my dude? Welcome, Pat. Guys, can we get some dubs in the chat for Pat coming in with a $20 dono, my bud? Thank you so much, Pat. I don't know why my alerts aren't working, but everybody, Pat's here. Yo, big ducks in the chat. Let's get some dubs for a big chat. There it is. There it is. Pat, thanks so much. We're saving it to buy a compound microscope, so I appreciate it, my man. That's awesome. Let's see this. Can we do this? And then 40? Heck yeah, dude. Welcome, Pat. How's it going? So, Patrick, this is Squirt. This is our squid. It's a female squid, and we just talked about how it has 3 hearts, so 3 times the capacity for love, but also breakups hit 3 times as hard. Classic. Right now, we're going to try to pull off one of the gills right now and see how it goes. What's up, Pat? Peas in the chat. Peas in the chat for Pat and the $20 dono. Thanks, my man. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off one of these. I'm gonna cut off one of these gills and place it in a cup of water. And we're gonna see what happens. It's just kind of experimentation. So I haven't seen anybody do this anywhere online in the videos that I watched, so I don't know if this is a thing that actually does anything or not. But theoretically, this should like open up kind of like a bunch of feathers. But it's because it's injected with plastic, I don't really know what's gonna work. Charlie, can you get a switch so we can do Animal Crossing New Horizons stream? Oh, I do have a switch. Bro, it kind of works. Holy cow, that's so sick. So I doubt you guys can be able to see this. But as you drop it in, it expands and becomes much more feathery. Huh. So the theory behind this is it like it increases the surface area of the gill so it can absorb more. Dude, I wish I could figure it out. Gosh, this is gonna be so gross. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Pop up, pop up, pop up. Okay, we're focusing right there. Okay, let's see if this works. Can you see this? Oh, that's the cow logo on the cup. So you might not be able to see that very well. But see how it's nice and kind of together, and then you put it in water, and then it expands a little. I mean, of course, it's like magnified by the glass, but there's a little bit of expansion there. That's kind of cool. We need the new microscope. Dude, we're trying to do compound microscope, man. It's going to be great. We're going to be able to look at tardigrades and stuff under the microscope. It's going to be so cool. Oh, Pat, while you're here, and anybody who didn't make it, we were looking at the tentacles under our current microscope, and you can tell that each tentacle is rimmed with teeth. Isn't that absolutely outrageous? That's so cool. Oh, you cool. Yeah, now Yukul's here. Yukul, check this out. And Kevin missed this too. So Kevin, ring of teeth on the inside of each tentacle, which is absolutely wild. I think that's so cool. All right, let's go back. So now let's check out we're gonna check out the siphon, and then we're gonna check out the beak, and we're gonna try to move the beak. Cool, tardigrades are awesome. Tardigrades are so sick, and anything else you guys want to check out while we're here? I'm just gonna put this. Dude, that's so cool. Anything else you guys want to check out while we're here? It is disgusting. Yep. I'm not going to doubt you on that one, Brandon. It's really gross. Hey, you guys chose the squid, so I mean. Sorry, I'm just shaking this gill to see if it does anything in the water and expands anything more. So they can bite with their tentacles. I think they can kind of like latch on, and it helps them kind of attach to whatever they're grabbing. So they use the long tentacles to grab their food, and then they use their arms to kind of push it towards their beak and their mouth. So, but it helps attach them really good. Now I'm really hungry. Calamari, my man Jim, let's rock and roll. Okay, so see this tube right here? Let's check this out. So this is a tube right here. Right here. Bing bong. This is a tube. This is the siphon. So you can see it has a hole right here. So the squid uses the mantle, which is this area, and it expands it. It expands it into that cavity, and then squirts it out of here. And you imagine like a water balloon when you release the end and water spouts out, or like a garden hose. It shoots out of this tube like a jet, and that's how it moves around. So it expands the mantle and then squeezes it and like shoots it out of that siphon. So that's how it can move around. Big GML minimum dono's $1. Sorry. I told Charlie today dried squid as a chill. I'm wondering what part they used as a child. Dried squid. Oh, Kevin, we talked about it. Calamari is the mantle. So if it was in rings, it was definitely this section, which was the mantle, and they sliced it up in little rings and then deep fried it. So maybe it is that part. Does that make sense, or is it something else? Can't do a nickel. I wish I could do a nickel minimum donation. That'd be awesome. Look at Mateo again. Have you eaten it raw? That's the best. Hi, guys. Has anybody eaten squid here before? Like, that's not calamari or not like Kevin's, like fried or dried squid? Anyone had it raw? I don't know. I don't think I have, so it's new to me. So, what do we want to check out? So that's the siphon. Okay, let's see if we can do here. Let's try to pull this back. Okay, I've seen this. Let's see if we can do this. So when I'm pulling back the squid's I'm pulling back Squirt's body from the mantle, and it allows us to kind of check out the backbone of it a little bit easier, and also get at that mouth a little bit easier. Oh no, Mike, oh, come on. Stay, camera, stay. Bye, Amelia, thanks for coming by. Appreciate it. It looks like a fish to me. Okay, we're gonna peel it back. Yes, sushi? Squids and sushi? Okay, so we're peeling back the body peeling back the inner portions of Squirt's body. This is gross. Get ready. See Amelia. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Things getting a little tough back here. Excellent. Okay. Let them 5 potatoes in a row, you win. It's the potato slot machine. Okay, everybody, here we are. So this is the backbone of the squid right here. They call this the pen. This is like the bone. It kind of comes out, and it's this nice little shell that almost looks like it's kind of like see-through material, which is really interesting. Yuck. Yeah, this is disgusting. But we're going to put this aside. Oh, wait, so this must be how they prepare calamari, though, guys, if you think about it. They must, like, pull back the squid, yoink it out, pull out the pen, which is this backbone area, and then just be like, chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Put it in a fryer and then serve it at a nice fancy restaurant and with pinkies up and some tea, because that's how they do it at fancy restaurants, I believe. Ika. Oh, Ika. Squid sushi is called Ika. I'm not a fan. Ooh, people are not a fan. Yeah, welcome to our unboxing video. Today we're unboxing a squid. I think this is part of the stomach, guys, and I think that's some shell that it ate right there. We'll check it out after we do this. Pinkies up, everybody. Yes, pinkies up. This is a fancy squid dissection. Pinkies up. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try to hold this right here, and we'll kind of zoom in on it. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. How about that? Okay, that'll calm down. So we're going to kind of open this up, guys. The next goal is to get at the beak. That's what we're going to try to get at. We're going to try to pull out the beak and look at it under the microscope, because I think it'd be really cool. So here we go. Have you been to China before? I have not been to China. No. I know Patrick's been to Japan. He really likes Japan. And from everything I hear about it, it sounds really cool. Okay, so this is pretty wild. So these are really stiff. Burrito. So can you guys see in there? Let's see right there. See that hole directly in the middle that almost looks like a belly button? That's the mouth. So that's what we're going to kind of try and get at. And you see how there are little like pieces of tissue that everyone needs to visit Japan, that are connecting it to all of the arms. We're going to try to cut those and bring it off. We can zoom in a little to check out that mouth, just because that's really kind of crazy. There we go. I thought it was its butt. No, it's not its butt. But guys, I don't know. Where's its butt? I don't know. Of all the research that I did, no one ever pointed out its butt. You know, and that's important. Okay, we're going to get in on this. All right. Pulling back the safety scissors, we're now kind of peeling back the arms. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So this might be a little out of view. Guys, this is going to be out of view just while I'm doing this. I promise this, we're going to come back. We're going to come back. But just because of the setup, I got to get a little bit of a better view. Our safety scissors are not cutting it this time, everyone. Okay, let's see. It's going to come back into view, everybody. We're going to be there. All right, let's start with this one. Loud inhale. Okay. Should we get dramatic? I think we should get dramatic just because there's a high chance that I'm going to break this. And this is what I've been kind of hoping to see this whole time, is this beak, because it's supposed to look like a parrot's beak. So hopefully it's good. Hello? Is this too loud? Squid is the Luna moth of the ocean, Diana. I think I know why that people don't use safety scissors to carry out dissections now. They are not the best cutting device. Okay, I remember how to do this. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We need to cut here. On screen, guys, now we're on screen. Changing focus. Oh, squids, Nicole, squids secrete waste through their siphon? Okay, guys, they secrete waste through our siphon. Important, thank you. Oh, guys, we've been inked. Oh no, we've been inked. Guys, we've been inked. All right, we need to navigate the next area carefully, otherwise the ink will expand. Guys, we've been inked. This is important. We're in very delicate territory right now. Okay. So see this ball right here? This ball right here. It's called the buccal mass. If you pull it out, you can see it's attached at a tube right there at the end. That's the esophagus. See that? See that tube right there? Way in there and deep? That's the esophagus. Okay, we're gonna cut the esophagus. We're gonna focus our attention on the buccal mass. Inside here this is the mouth of the squid, and inside here is the beak. Okay, great. More dramatic music. Let's rock and roll. Here we go, guys. It will come out if you pull it. You think so, Amelia? Inside here. Delicate cut. Oh no, we need better scissors. We don't have better scissors, guys. We're gonna do the big boy scissors. Fiskars. Guys, we're trying to remove the beak. The beak has been spotted. I can see the beak. Everybody, I can see the beak. Squeeze it. Ann says squeeze it. I'm peeling. We're peeling it back. I'm feeling good about this peel, guys. I'm feeling good about this peel. Ann says squeeze. I'm going to try to squeeze. Squeeze does not work. You know what? I'll be right. I'm going to get a knife. Hold. X-Acto blade. This is the first squid that's entirely dissected exclusively using craft supplies. Guys, we're making history right now. Okay, here we go. Cutting in. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys. Guys, we did it. Guys. 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 Squid Beak. Tentacle. Squid Beak. Dude, how epic is that? Squid Beak. We got the beak of a squid. And see that tube at the end? That's the esophagus. It looks like a little bird. I think it's beautiful. Making history, boy, we did it. We dissected an entire squid with craft supplies and got to the beak. Let me see if we can put it like that. Do you see that? That's the underside. Oh! It's beautiful. Guys, it's Squid's beak. Wow. How sick is this? Sorry. It's so cool. Why am I thinking about a chicken? Maybe you can remove the muscle. Oh, Mandrake. What's up, Mandrake? Welcome back. Can you open it? Okay, guys. Here's the question. I have a question for you guys. Right here, we have a really well-preserved squid beak and esophagus. This might be a great piece in our museum. We could put this in a small jar with some preservative in it and put a nice little note that says this is Squid's beak. Squid was our child, our squid child, our baby girl, Squid, 3 broken hearts. And it'll be a nice memento from this day. Or we can rip it open. Those are the 2 options. X-Acto knife makes a cut. Should we open this up and tear it apart and it will be unsavable? Or should we put it in the museum? So in the chat, type open or museum. Open or museum. What do you guys think? Open the beak up or put it in the museum? Piano, I think you should write Toadsburg using ink. Piano, we got to talk. I think, oh my gosh. Piano, I'm going to tell you something after we look at this. Museum. Just open the beak like a mouth. You shouldn't need to rip the muscles. Can you open it and be able to reclose it? Okay, this is what we're going to try to do. You guys raise a great point. I think we're going to try to open it delicately. We're going to try to open it delicately. And if we have trouble opening it delicately, then we'll put it in the museum. Then it'll be a museum piece. But we won't like cut it open. What do you guys think? Does that sound good? Like a puppet? Yeah, I agree. So theoretically, we should be able to like pull it and yank it and try to open it. But we might not. So we'll try. Because it's, yeah, we'll see. It might be too stiff. We do have a squid backup. But if we don't need to cut into that, I kind of want to save it. Sounds great. Okay, cool. Got it. So now we're going to try to go in using my hole puncher. I love how we're dissecting this whole thing with craft supplies. And we're going to try to pull it down and pull it open. And if I'm struck, oh my God. I'm dying. If I'm struggling.
Grammarly is your
Oh my gosh. No, YouTube. I don't want Grammarly. Sorry. If it doesn't work, it's going in the museum. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, I'm having a little trouble. I'm not gonna lie. I think we're gonna preserve it and put it in our museum. It'll be a great memento, and we'll remember Squid forever. But it's just it's too tough. I don't really trust myself with it, but we tried. How's our jar of gills looking? All right, it's looking good. Man, this is awesome. We had a jar of gills, we got a squid beak and a tentacle on the microscope, and we got just the remains of a squid carcass on my computer desk, man. This is what life's about. This is awesome. Okay. Was that too young? Okay. How about we name the beak? Do we name the beak or is it Squirt's beak? That's the question. Wow, these are the ovaries. I think this is the egg sac. I think those are eggs. I think these are Squirt's eggs. Squirt was with child. Interesting. Okay. So, is there anything else that you guys want to look at before we start cleaning up and chill? I think I really enjoyed last time when we were kind of just hanging out and chilled for a bit. So I think we might just chill out for a bit and do some cleaning up. But while we got the squid here, is there anything else you guys want to check out? We can open up the eye and try to get the eye. Oh, Piano, one of the things I wanted to talk to you about when you were like, we could write with the ink. So in all of the dissections that I was watching, they would always end by taking the pen, which I don't even know where it is. Where did I put that? Oh my God. Oh, the pen right here. They would pull out the pen, which is the backbone, dip it in the ink, and then write. And dude, for some reason, I couldn't help but feel like that was so disrespectful to the animal. I mean, sure, we're dissecting it and the animal's dead, but like taking their backbone and then using their own ink to write is just kind of like, I don't know. I thought that was kind of gross. It was just like too much. It was a little too cruel. So I was always surprised that they always did that. Beaky McBeakleton. Beaky Beakleton. I think we should name the beak Squidderton. Squidderton. Squirt. It's Squirt's beak. The spoils of war. Where's the eye? Okay, B. Here's the eye right here. So it's so all the proteins have kind of denatured because of the preservative, but it's in this area right here. Pop, pop. And the eye is really cool because it's an example of like convergent evolution. It's okay. So squids and humans are really different, right? But they evolved similar traits. Like the lens, we both have lenses in our eyes, which is wild because they both evolved them independently. It's kind of a heady topic, but it's really cool how we have lenses in our eyes and so do squids, and we're so unalike. Open it, open it, open it. Okay, we're gonna open the eye. We're gonna try to get the lens. And then I want to show you this really sick video about the chromatophores. We're going to talk about the mantle skin, and then we're going to kind of clean up. I think that's kind of going to be how we're going to do it. Sound good, everybody? Sick, sick, sick. We have defeated the mighty squid. We shall mark the display with Squid's ink as a warning of any future squids that come this way to fear us. Yes, we should just, yeah. It's like an X on our door. You do not want to come this way. That's so funny. Okay, let's see. Whereabouts is your eye, little guy? Okay, so the eye is in here. Right there. This is pretty gross, so I'm gonna stay on a wide shot while I cut this open. And then I'm gonna try to pull out the because this might get juice everywhere. I don't know how I'm gonna use all of these craft materials that I've just totally destroyed. Oh, I can feel it. Cool. So we're cutting open to the eye to remove the, oh gosh, more ink. We really destroyed this ink sac to try to get the, oh, there it is. All right, cool. So do you see this little pebble? There you go. All right, cool. We can watch this off a little. Oh, interesting. Something's going on with this pebble. Okay. Well, let's look at this under the microscope real quick. Guys, here's the lens of the eye. Ew, ew, ew. Dude, I love this beak. Okay, we can save the beak, we can save the tentacle, and we can save the eye. So this is gross. This is really disgusting, guys. Get ready. This might be the grossest thing we have so far. Awesome. So this is the lens. Usually it's clear, but this one, because it's been in preservative, is not so clear. So that's the little pearl lens that's in the eye. It looks like a chickpea. Yeah, sure. Actually, it does. Yeah. It's pretty gross, right? Ew. So here's the lens of the eye. All right, last thing I want to show you guys, which is absolutely sick. So, does anybody know what, does anyone know what counter shading is? Figment, what's up, Figment? How you doing? It looks like a mini burger. Cool, you're right. I don't know why it has that line in the middle. I don't think that's a normal thing. But it looks super shiny. I think cleaned off, it would look really cool. Chickpea. Big Jim, I think you just need lunch, my man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Amelia does counter shading. We're in the middle of making a squid puzzle. It's like a reverse squid puzzle. If you reverse this stream, it would be very confusing because you would see us just slowly putting a squid together, which would be really gross. So let's see what we got here. Oh, wait. Why is this not working? Boop. Boop. Cool, here we are. Well, yeah, it's lunchtime. We can rebuild it. So last thing I want to show you. This is so cool. This is so cool. We have the technology. Kevin. So see these spots right here? These are called chromatophores, and I think some of you guys might know this, but they're like specialized pigment cells that the squid can control, almost like the pupil of your eye. You know how your pupil can open and close? The squid can control these cells to open and close that determine whether they're dark or whether they're light or whether they show up or whether they don't. Let's see if we can look at it under the microscope real quick, because I think it'd be kind of cool. Oh yeah, look at that. This is great. Okay, guys, check this out. Check this out. Ready? So, guys, these are the chromatophores. They're really cool. I'm a really big fan of them. They almost look like freckles, but they can change. They can get big or get small. And, dude, all right, I got a video for you. They can dilate. B, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, is Piano in the chat? Because Piano, I got a video that I think you're going to like specifically. So there's this, God, there's squid juice over all my stuff. So there's this scientist who hooked up some electrodes to a squid and could stimulate it with very slight electric activity, and found the nerves that determined how big and small those pigment cells were, and then connected it to an iPod and played music, and the pigments moved according to the music. There are peoples that can dial it. Yeah, B, that's kind of the similar idea is how these can kind of change. You'll see. Here, I'll show you guys. This video is absolutely outrageous. So let's check this out. Internet window. Okay, which one is it? Is it this one? Okay, here it is, guys. Check, guys, this is absolutely crazy. So this is exactly what we were looking at on the microscope. Those are the pigments of the squid. So this is pigments of a squid. Oh, and you're going to like this too. I think everybody's going to like this. So here we go. YouTube channel called Backyard Brains. Ready for this? I hope you can hear this. Dude. He had an iPad hooked up.
The one on the flamboyant temper, just toss that ham in the frying pan like spam. Get done when I come and slam. Damn, I feel like the son of Sam. Don't make me wreck. Hectic, next to the check, got me going like General Electric. And the lights are blinking. I'm thinking it's all over when I go out drinking.
Okay, so you see how it gets big and small? Muscles can either pull back and allow more of the pigment to show, or relax and kind of close it up. So that's how it kind of works. That's how it resembles like a pupil. But how insane is this? Okay, and sorry, I'm just really excited about this. And you might see that they're different colors. So I think from what my research that I read, there are 3 layers of these pigment cells, and each layer is a different color, and it allows the squid to form different patterns, which is really cool. You got yellows and blacks. Yeah. Anne's got it. The different chromatophores each have a specific color. See, like, if we get it right, we got like black, reddish, pinkish, and some orange. And it looks like there's maybe some yellowish, but that might be some orange. Dude, this is outrageous. I wonder what the whole squid looked like. Oh, dude, I thought that was sick. That was so cool. Squid around. All right. So, guys, I think that wraps it up. I think that wraps up the formal portion of the stream. Now we're going to informal. Informal cleanup and kind of just hanging out. But everybody, accomplishments, conclusions, Champions Day. All right. We did it. We did it, everybody. You were here. You were here when it happened. We accomplished the inevitable. We did something disgusting. We did something very gross. It was nasty, but we got through it together. So thank you for joining me on this epic version of Wonders with Charlie Live. We broke new grounds. We got a child together. We dissected a squid. It was excellent. Squirt will go down in history. Things we got going on. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm distracted. The museum. We're putting together the museum. We're debating whether or not to get a P.O. box. I know this is loud. If you guys want to vote on whether or not we should get a P.O. box, link in the chat. P.O. box to send in stuff to our museum. Let me know. And finally, let's see what it was. 16 votes. Ooh, 5 comments. Starfish. Natalie might bring in a starfish. Wow. My life. Evan's just going to put his whole life in there. It's going to be epic. But everybody, next week is going to be one of 2 things. Next week might be a paleontology stream, or it might be an astronaut food stream. I'm not really sure, but it's going to be one of those 2. Or it might be something even different. I haven't really planned ahead because I've been so focused on the squid stream. But thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for hanging out. Charlie is it's Dark Dimension Charlie. Kevin, it's just an alternate spelling. But everybody, thank you so much for joining us for the Squid Dissection. I really appreciate it. I'm going to hang out for a while still. I'm going to do some cleaning up. We can chat. We can talk about whatever we want. We can just hang out for a sec. I'll probably be on for maybe about 10, 15 more minutes, just chilling with you guys. But if you got to bounce, if you got to go to school, if you got to continue on your day, thanks so much for being here. Really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. YouTube videos coming out in between then, but live stream, I'll see you next Tuesday. So thanks so much for hanging out, guys. Thank you so much. All right. There we go. Now we're here. Now we're just going to continue. Okay. Exclamation point schedule. Patricia. Yes, shout out Patricia and Nada. Thank you guys so much for helping. Thank you mods for helping out today. Okay, so now we're going to clean up. Guys, this whole stream is copyrighted every way, so we might as well play a cleanup song. Can you do the museum live? Oh, we'll put together the museum live for sure. For sure. But the museum live, I don't even know how I'm going to clean up all this stuff. But we're going to figure it out. But I was looking forward to this stream quite a lot. Do you know the Bury the Brick? Yo, Piano, what do you think about a Jerry the Geode, Bury the Brick collab? All right, Kelly, thank you. Piano, what do you think about that? So texture of the skin, any details? Oh, okay. Yeah. I can share. Hey. Here we go, Nada. Yes, Kevin, Weird But True got an award for Best Children's Programming in, I think, the 8 to or 5 to 11 category. It was a Synopsis Award, so Best Kids Show. It was really nice. Barry would love to do that, but Jerry is, you know. So maybe Jessica. Maybe Jessica, that's true. All right, see you, Amelia. So texture. Right here we got the texture. It's kind of, it's very stiff. It's almost like leathery. Nada. That's how I would kind of describe it. So kind of like a leathery material. Thank you, Kevin. You cool. Catch you later, my dude. So that's how I would describe it. Very stiff and very leathery. But I don't know if that's because it's been preserved for so long or something else. Because if in the wild, it might be a little less stiff. So I'm not sure. Touch sensory. Oh, stiff. It smells like preservative. Yeah. Da. Yeah, but I think that's pretty much it. I remember the squid had a leathery feel to it. Yeah. Oh, when you ate it, it still was leathery. That was probably kind of like raw or something like that. Thanks for the census tour. You got a Nada. All right. The last thing that I guess I really did want to check out is this thing. So see this thing right here? I think that's a shell that's in the stomach. I think we're going to cut it out. So this is the last like gross thing that we're definitely going to do today, guys. But if you're still here, great little treat. We're going to try to dive into this and see what this is. Because I don't think this is an organ, because I feel like we would have seen it if it was. Or it might be an organ, and I just might be really bad at analyzing these diagrams. So here we go. What is this? What the heck is this? You know, I feel like this is an organ because it's not very hard. I thought it was a shell, but it's kind of like it's like wormy or something like that. I really don't know what that is. Huh. What's the blue thing again? Looks very plasticky. Yeah. All right, Nada. So it was injected with plastic to help us differentiate between the different parts. So blue are, let me think this right. Is it blue veins and red arteries, I think? What's that red stuff? Yeah, one sec, I'm coming up. So the blue are the veins and the red are the arteries. So all of the blood is gone, and that differentiates between them. But so this blue area right here is the heart. So squids have 3 hearts. There's 1 heart right here, 1 over here near the other gill that we removed. And then this is a heart too. And then this is a gill right here. So the red is the gill and the blue is the heart. The red is where blood would be that has oxygen, and the blue does not have oxygen. Hi, Charlie. That was great. Hey, Kelly, thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Always glad when you and Ari are able to pop in. Oh, so that's fake coloring to help distinguish? Yes. See you later, Jackson. So what I did is I got a squid that was injected with plastic, because otherwise it would kind of just be like a pink mass. And it would be really hard to tell what's what, and it would just be super kind of goopy. So it makes it a little bit more stiff, and it also helps us distinguish between the different parts. Yeah. That was Ari. Oh, thanks, Ari. What's up, Ari? Thank you, Ari. So that's fake coloring. Yeah. But these tentacles are so cool. I'm a really big fan. Hey, anybody who... Kelly, have you preserved anything? And do you know what's a good, like, easily accessible chemical that I could put some of this stuff in to preserve it? Is like isopropyl alcohol, will that potentially work or not? Do you have any experience with that? Because I know you do a lot of cool stuff. Okay. All right, guys. I think we're going to wrap it up. Like delicious jams and jellies? Yeah, what are you talking about? I think alcohol should work, but might want to do some research. I think formaldehyde is available, but might be sketchy. I understand that, Kevin. I see where you're going with that. All right, Kelly. I'll look into it a little bit more. But some of these things, like I want to take the lens, a tentacle, an arm, and the beak would be really cool. Okay. All right, everybody. I think we're going to wrap it up because I sure do have an enormous amount of cleaning that I have to do because there's squid juice over all of my desk. So that should be pretty fun. But you don't want to get on that list. Patricia, you're right. All right. Hey, guys. Heavy cleaning. I hope it's not too troublesome. Oh, it's never too troublesome. It's so fun. I enjoy these streams a lot. Hey, Diana. Thanks so much for staying and chilling out. I think it ran out of ink. I think it did. Ugh. Okay. Guys, I love these streams so much. They're the highlight of my week. I'm so glad that I could hang out with such a cool, interesting group of people like you guys and do these fun demonstrations with. Honestly, I enjoy them so much. And you're just like a whole group of really cool, interesting people to do it with. I really like this group that we got put together. It's like a bunch of... kind of like Earth nerds who are hanging out and doing some fun stuff. This is like stuff that I've always wanted to do. So it's nice to have a group that I could enjoy it with. So thanks for being here. We'll be here next week to do a similarly interesting thing. We're working on game night, Kevin. We're working on it. It's they're a lot of work, and I'm trying to figure out how to fit it into the schedule. So hopefully it'll come together soon. I think, sup, nerd? What up? I'm proud to be a nerd, man. I don't know about you guys, but I wear that badge with pride. I think Nightbot was right. And yeah, interesting is a great description. I think if someone says that you're interesting, I think that's an enormous compliment, Big Jim. I really do. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for being here, guys. I'm going to turn on the our closeout music. And we'll see you here next week. So Patricia, Big Jim, Figment, Kevin, Annalise, Piano, Kevin? I was the president of Club Nerd in high school? That means you were the coolest person in your high school, I think. Patricia, definitely. All right, so I'll catch you later, everybody. It's not the same as Charles Game Night. Yes, true. Piano has game nights on Saturdays at 7 p.m. Eastern if you guys want to check it out. He does a really good job. All right, guys, catch you later. Thanks so much for stopping by. I got to clean up this squid because squirts entrails are everywhere. So we got to deal with that. But I'll see you next week. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll catch you later, all right? See you later, everyone. Bye. See you, Kelly. See you, Ari. See you, Kevin. See you, Annalise. See you, Netta. See you, Patricia, Drake, Kevin Piano, everybody else is here. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next week. Ta-ta!